Hello guys, for today pupunta tayong Kalinaya Dome Glamping. Alas 3 pa yung check-in natin kaya hanap tayo ng side trip natin. Gagas muna ako sa Nagilian. Dito na tayo sa Sablan. Kakain tayo ng mix-mix dito. Tara, mix-mix natin. Kain na tayo.
Labang kayo ni
Sili guys, sili. Gas muna tayo. Nandito na tayo sa entrance. Kumuha tayo ng halo-halo na. Okay. Magpamasahe kan. Nandito na tayo sa Go Eco Park. Ganyan ang itsura dito. Ayan yung mga nabilhan ng halo-halo nila. Maraming nagka-camping dito, nagpi-picnic. Ayan ang itsura niya. Mahangin actually, kahit mainit kanina. Ayan ito. Ayun pala, nakagitna. So, mamaya pupunta tayo doon sa beach. Ayan, ganda naman ah. Ganda rin. Oh, jump Nathan. Jump, jump, jump. Boy. Ayan, wala na, nag-enjoy na si Nathan. Wala nang pakialam kung mabasa. Ayan, ganyan si Nathan. Pinag-brief ko muna tong bata na to. Binilad ko muna yung short pants niya dun.
One eternity later.
Pupunta na tayong Kalinaya. Kasi kumaya ito. Madabarang damot lang gayang high school. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. There's the dome.
Where? Nandito kami.
Nandito na tayo. So papakita ko sa inyo yung ganito yung itsura ng dome glamping. So ayun, may jacuzzi pa tayo dito. At may pool tayo. Ayan yung pool natin. Then may parang web of ropes. Ayan, pinapaligiran tayo ng cornfields. Ayan, ayan yung dome guys. Ayan siya. At andun na nga ang aking baby. Ayan si Boy, inaantay ako bago tayo lumangoy. Papasok na tayo. So ito yung room natin guys.
Diba do? Natito?
Ayan, ganyan kaganda guys.
Glamping's the best.
Boom, may view ka ng ganyan, no? Meron tayong projector TV. Ayan. At meron tayong little kitchen. Ayan. May kitchen tayo, may ref, may tubig, may oven, at may mga kaldero. Maliligo tayo dun kasama natin si Nathan. So we're going swimming with Nathan.
Oh, let's go!
Ay, nakatake na ako ng monster. Liga baba, liga baba. Susod. Boink.
Awan DJ. Takder! Takder!
Wade Barrett looking to put Orton through the table. Looking to drive the RKO! RKO through the table!
Ayan ang baby ko guys, oh. Ito mo yan. So we're gonna play chess with a little boy.
Ako.
Bold move, bold move.
So you can't get me. So you can't get me. Na.
No, you did. Bro doesn't know I'm checkmate. Sheesh. Luko ka.
Uy! Uy, awan.
I won. I won, guys.
Until 3, until 3.
Huwag kayo iyak. Bro, mesh.
Luko ka, awan.
Bro died.
Ala?
Checkmate, bro.
Isi yan taman.
Huwag kayo iyak. Luwa.
Ay, amok man ng ti Aramidom ah.
Hindi ramido.
A few moments later.
They got many gravy. Gave us 3 gravies. Hey guys, kain na tayo. kahit kung horror stories naman. Isu nakit kaya makin kaya kat masih asilog kanya.
Ada.
Be good. We're gonna eat some cake.
Cake. We're going to the bonfire area and we're going to eat some mushrooms. Marshmallow, sorry. Let's go, bro. Tito will eat mushroom.
Where's our Nathan?
Allah.
Where's the mushroom? Marshmallow. Close the door, bro. Close the door. There we go. There you go.
Bro, use your crook.
No need for the crooks. Brub.
Let's burn this gas so much.
We're gonna toast this, then put it in between this Graham biscuit. Wala ni Boy no ghost. Tukulin nyo lang yan sa gitna. Then, ouch, ipit nyo lang.
I win kalangasin utang.
My God.
So guys, naka-shower na tayo. May problema guys. Riniregla si baby ko. Bibili muna tayo ng napkin. Oh my God.
I'm too excited.
Sheesh.
Hello. So we're gonna go get to the store. Napkins with wings. So put it there, bro. Okay, now we're gonna go. Oh, hello. So they're opening the gate. Now let's go. Get ready. Here, bro. Okay, now we're here. Let's see if there is napkins.
May napkin kayo? Ay, wala. May bukas pa kayang store dyan? Meron pa? Okay.
Oh, there's none. We're not lucky. So we're gonna go to the other stores.
Walang napkin guys. Hanap tayo sa kabilang baryo.
So guys, there's another store here. Let's see if we're lucky. Oh, hell no. Heck no. Uy, ako nga kasi. School me. 10 pesos each. Wow, thank you, Tito. Let's go.
NANI?!
My God, bro. Hell nah. Yo, heck nah. Yo, guys, I got so scared that even a dog, bro. We're here, guys. Hello.
Thank you. Inirita.
Candy.
Good morning. And it's 9:10. Grabe yung sunny day dito guys. Breakfast muna tayo guys. Tapos pagkatapos ng breakfast, langoy na lang ng konti.
Tumbler. Orang tidak naman. Nakasamit ko rin.
Sunuji orange juice. Uwi na tayo guys ha. Say bye bye.
Hey, ang inong kadanom ay najidanom.
Taman taboy. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going.
We're going.
Head north on Tulane and Miguel Road.
Okay, Lord, in the name of the Father and Spirit, Amen. Lord, bantay man na kami, nagawid,